Hello, my description and my dad. My name is Sofia Arisa. I am 18 years old. I live in Acacias Meta. I am a funny and sociable person. A bit disorganized as for my appearance is concerned. I am short white skin chain. My hair is dark brown or also dark and brown eyes. I weigh 48 kilograms. Okay. He is my dad. His name Cesar Arisa. He is 54 years old. He lives in Acacias Meta. He has a brown skin, black chair, dark brown eyes, dark brown eyes. He is a very funny, noble, and affectation and kind person. He is also someone who is very hard working and likes to spend time with family. Bye bye.